How to tag someone on story. Hey, welcome back. This is me Yusra, and this video gonna be about Instagram tips. So tagging in the story on Instagram is a new way to collaborate with your followers and with other people on Instagram. So let's dive into the steps. Make sure your Instagram is updated, and after that open your updated Instagram app. Tap on the story plus icon. Tap on add to your story. Choose your story. Tap on the alphabet option on the upper side and mention someone which you want. You can see that this is written here, mention there. Tap on it, and after that write the name of the person you want to tag on your story. Instagram will suggest you some people. Okay, I choose the one, and after that you can resize and change the position of the tag person according to your choice. Like I want to put it on this position. After that share it on your story. You can see that my story has been uploaded and the people which I tag is showing on the story. In this way, the person will get the notification that you have tagged in your story, and this will help you to engage with people directly on story. Thank you for watching this video.